Hello, I'm Nikita Chauhan. Today's my topic is the clinical research. Clinical research is a branch of healthcare science that determines the safety and effectiveness of a medication, device, diagnostic products, and treatment requirement intended for human use. Research is a laborious and time-consuming task that can take several years. Drugs development research in a particular is a long and arduous, and bringing a single new drug cost on average UCD 1.7 billion, and takes a new drug cost on average UCD 1.7 billion, and takes approximately 13.5 years from discovery to the market. Clinical trials is any research study that prospectively assign humans participants or a group of humans to one or more health related interventions to evaluate the effect on health outcomes. Clinical trials are conducted to collect the data regarding the safety and efficacy of a new drug and device development. Fathers of clinical trials is James Lind. The importance of clinical trial is the clinical trials are important for discovering new treatment for a disease, as well as new ways to detect diagnosis to reduce the chance of developing the disease. Clinical trials can show researchers what does and does not work in humans that cannot be learned in the laboratory or in animals. Clinical trials are also help to doctors decide if the side effects of a new treatment are acceptable when weighed against the potential benefits. Preclinical trials. Investigational new drug must be tested on animals to determine the safety and efficacy of the drugs to administer humans. This phase lasts from 1 to 5 years. This test provides information about the pharmaceutical compositions of the drug, safety, and how the drug will be formulated, manufacturing, and how it will be administered to the human subject. Types of clinical trials are there are two main types of clinical trials: observational and interventional. Observational clinical trials. This trial does not involve a treatment or a drugs. Researchers observe participants by monitoring their health over period of a time. These studies provide researchers with data and that advance our understanding of Parkinson's and how treat the disease. Interventional clinical trials. These trials test the safety and effectiveness of a candidate drugs, therapy, or experimental treatment. Within the broad categories, trials also can be classified as treatment trials. Generally involve an interventional, such as medication, psychotherapy, new device, or new approaches to surgery reduce the energy. Then the prevention trials look for better ways to prevent the adverse event or developing or returning. Different kinds of preventions. Research may study medicines, vitamins, vaccines, minerals, or lifestyle changes. Then diagnostic trials refers to the participant of looking for better ways to identify particular disorder or conditions. Then screening trials aims to find the best way to detect certain disorders or health. Then the quality of work life trials explores way to improve comfort and the quality of life for individuals with a chronic illness. Genetic study aim to improve the prediction or prediction of disorders by identifying and understanding how to genes and illness may be related. Research in this area may explore or more less likely develop a disorder. This may be lead to the development of tailor-made treatments based on patients' makeup. Thank you.